Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question without using a calculator. So we have 4 raised to power 11 minus 1. Now, we're going to solve it without using a calculator. Solution. The first thing is, okay, we have 4 raised to power 11 minus 1. Now, 4, right here, 4 can be written as 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 is same thing as 2 squared, right? So in place of 4, we can put in 2 squared. So in brackets, 2 squared, right? All raised to power 11, then minus 1. With this, right, we're going to introduce one of the rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power n, power of m, this equals a raised to power n times m. That is the power n multiply the power m. So right here, you have 2, then power 2 here will multiply power 11, so 2 times 11, then minus 1. So from here, 2 raised to power 2 times 11 is 22, then minus 1. So now 22 can be written as 20 plus 2, right? 22 equals to 20 plus 2. So in place of this, you can put in this right there. So we have 2 raised to power 20 plus 2, then minus 1. With this, right, if you have something like a raised to power n plus m, this can be written as a raised to power n times a raised to power m. Now, applying this rule to this right here, this then becomes 2 raised to power 20 times 2 raised to power 2, then you have minus 1. So with this, we have 2 raised to power 20 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Okay, so times 4, then minus 1. So 20 right here can be written as 10 times 2. So in place of that, we can put in 10 times 2. So 2 raised to power 10 times 2, then times 4 minus 1. At this junction, if you have a raised to power n times m, this can be expressed in the form of a raised to power n, then power of m. So power n will multiply power m, you still have a raised to power n times m, the result back. So applying this same rule to this right here, this then becomes 2 raised to power, you have 10, then close bracket, power of 2, then times 4, then minus 1. So with this, 2 raised to power 10 can be written as 2 raised to power 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10, right? Looking at this, right, we have 2 raised to power 5 times 2. Now, we have a rule that if you have a raised to power n times m, this equals, in bracket, a raised to power n, then times power of m. So applying this same rule right here, this then becomes 2 raised to power 5, right, all raised to power 2. And 2 raised to power 5 is 32. So we then have 32 squared. And from here, 32 squared is 1024, right? So in summary, 2 raised to power 10 is equal to 1024. So in place of 2 power of 10, we can bring in 1024. So we're going to have in brackets, this then becomes 1024, then power of 2 multiplied by 4, then minus 1. So continue with this. Can we write this as in brackets 1000 plus 24, which will still give us back 1024, then all power of 2, then times 4 minus 1. With this, looking at this right here, is something in the form of a plus b all raised to power 2. And if you have an expression like this, the value is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a right here is 1000. So 1000, and the value of b is equal to 24. Now, expanding this in the form of this expression right here, we're going to have a squared. A is 1000, so it becomes 1000 squared, then plus 2 times a is 1000, b 24. So 2 times 1000 times 24, then plus b is 24, so 24 squared. We are still expanding this right here. Don't forget that we still have times 4 and minus 1. But first, let's first expand this. So 1000 squared is 1,000,000, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 2 times 1000 times 24 is equal to 48,000, plus 24 squared is 576. Now adding this up, 1,000,000 plus 48,000 plus 576 is equal to 10,48576. And we've solved for 1000 plus 24 squared. Don't forget that it's multiplied by 4 and minus 1. So this is then, we have 10,48576, right? Then times 4, then minus 1. Okay, as you can see, we are not using a calculator to solve this. So we're going to have, first thing, let's first multiply this. 10,48576 times 4. So 10,48576 times 4. Now 4 times 6, 24, 4, then 2. 4 times 7, 28, plus 2, 30, 0, 3. 4 times 5, 20, plus 3, 23, so 3, 2. 4 times 8, 32, plus 2, 34, so 4, then 3. 4 times 4, 16, plus 3, that is 19, so 9, 1. 4 times 0, 0, then you have 1, so 1. 4 times 1 is then 4. So with this, we've gotten the value of 10,48576 times 4 to be 4194304. Then it remains minus 1. Now if you subtract minus 1 from this value, we're going to get 4194303. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final answer for the expression 4 raised to the power 11 minus 1. As you can see, we solve it without using a calculator. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and share the video to your friend. And most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe right now. Thank you very much.